Welcome to Sokhey Media, India's #1 influencer marketplace. Grow your brand by connecting directly with top influencers across Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. We offer verified promotion, confirmed delivery, and transparent pricing. Browse influencers by niche, from fashion and fitness to comedy and lifestyle. You can also install our PWA app for easy, instant access. Ready to grow? Sign up as a brand or join as an influencer to start your campaign in under 10 minutes. The brand dashboard provides an overview of your campaigns, including total spent, active campaigns, completed projects, and total orders. Easily manage your brand profile and start new campaigns to boost your visibility. The Creator Dashboard allows influencers to manage their wallet, services, and pending orders. Check your balance, add new services, and edit your profile. You can also get featured for more orders. Find the perfect influencer bundle. Choose from AI-recommended packages or build your own custom package. Set your goals. Pick influencers by criteria like age and followers, and pay once for a seamless experience. Explore our curated list of influencers, categorized by top-rated, most popular, and by specific niches like music and entertainment. Easily browse profiles to find the perfect match for your campaign. Visit www.sokheymedia.in now to start growing your brand or career today.